Hey, what's up, guys? The manufacturer sent me this pool hose for free so I can open it up and show it to you and let you know what I think about it. So first thing, I just want to let you know that it is a 1 1/4 inch fittings here, and the total length is 27 feet. So you get plenty there. Get this opened up, grab my knife and cut off the bands without cutting the hose. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to do my best to show this to you up close. So I want to say first thing, so it says it's a kink-free hose. So I'm going to see, I'm really pulling on that thing there, and it's not, like, it doesn't actually look like it's getting kinks in it. Let me see if I can turn it so you can see the angle that I'm seeing all the way around. So it just coils really tight. It's not actually getting kinks in it. So I think that's really cool. I love the look of it, kind of black and blue. It looks really nice. The fittings on here, they're on here nice and tight. I know I've gotten some other pool hoses that you try to twist them and they actually feel like they're going to come off. So that's really nice. I feel like these aren't going to leak. So I love that. Again, I don't know. It almost feels like a vinyl type on this plastic. I'm not really sure, but it feels really nice and looks really nice. And overall, I just feel like compared to other ones that I've had and used, this feels really nice. The quality feels really good. I'm excited about it. It's good to use with your vacuum hoses or pretty much anything with your pool. So again, your vacuum hoses or like your sweepers or whatever for the bottom of the pool, or even any of your inlet or outlet pumps. I think you could use it for any of those things and it would hold up just fine. Again, just another up close look. You can see the texture, the materials and everything. So definitely if you're looking for a good hose for a good value, you should check this one out.